Special Health Check at 11 report tonight, plastic surgery gone wrong. Recently, we have heard of a number of patients who died while under the knife, but not all mistakes are deadly. Some just leave patients looking and feeling far worse than before they had the procedure. Health reporter and registered nurse Ali Gorman explains how to avoid these mishaps.
When Judith Gumabay was 18, she got breast implants, only they didn't turn out looking as she had hoped.
It was very high.
So she went to another doctor, this time in Florida, to have the surgery redone.
He said that he could actually make it bigger. So I'm like, okay.
But that fuller look would cost her, and not just in dollars. After the surgery, she had a series of complications. She says her skin was overstretching.
Literally, you could see the bag like it was ready to come out.
It was. Plastic surgeon Dr. Stephen Davis says when he met Judith, the implant was eroding through her skin. And he says complications like this are becoming more common as plastic surgery becomes more common.
Patients are traveling around getting these breast augmentations performed by a lot of people that may not necessarily have the patient's best interest at heart.
In Judith's case, he believes she was offered too large of an implant for her body size. He took her back to the operating room to remove the implants.
And you see here, these don't work.
Dr. Brandow, also a board-certified plastic surgeon, says he is also seeing more people with complications from plastic surgeries done elsewhere, such as this woman who didn't want to be identified. We'll call her Jane. Jane wanted a flatter tummy, but wanted to take a shortcut.
I just didn't want to go and get general anesthesia and be out for a period from work, etc.
So she chose Smart Lipo, a procedure that was FDA approved in 2006. It claims to be faster, safer, and cheaper than traditional liposuction. But some plastic surgeons, like Dr. Brandow, aren't impressed with the results. Neither was Jane.
It just was not flat, it was irregular and bumpy.
Cynosure, the makers of the Smart Lipo system, did not return our calls for comment. But in personal injury lawsuits filed against the company in New York, Cynosure blamed the doctors who used Smart Lipo. With all procedures, patients should choose their doctor wisely. Make sure he or she is board certified and specializes in the procedure you want done. Plus, you should have realistic expectations.
If it seems a little bit too far-fetched, it probably is.
Dr. Brandow also adds, don't cut corners.
If they can't afford a procedure and they really, really want it, they should wait and save for that and go to an expert.
In the end, Jane ended up spending more money to smooth her skin. Judith has been through years of complications. For now, she's letting her body heal. Ali Gorman, Channel 6, Action News.